The world status setting lets you switch your world offline. If your world status is set to offline, a pop-up will ask you to select when you are planning to bring your world back online, and to enter a custom World Offline message. When your users try to access your world, they will be shown this information. Enabling the EULA option will allow you to add an end-user license agreement for your world, which will appear after the Breakroom Terms of Service, and users will need to accept it. Setting the analytics option to mandatory will make it mandatory for the user to accept terms to being tracked for the purpose of your analytics feature. Setting the marketing option to mandatory will make it mandatory for the user to accept terms for some of their data to be used for marketing purposes. Setting any of these features to mandatory requires you to enter a link for your privacy policy, which your users will have to accept. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.